Welcome to our ultimate guide on how to grow and care for succulents. These fascinating plants with their fleshy leaves and remarkable resilience have captured the hearts of plant lovers worldwide. Today we'll embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of succulent care, from choosing the right variety to troubleshooting common issues. Join me as we delve into the world of these captivating plants and learn the best practices for ensuring your succulents thrive. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to cultivate a thriving succulent collection. Our journey begins with selecting the ideal succulent companion for your home. Much like the diverse ecosystems found on our planet, different succulents thrive in different environments. Consider your home's climate. Is it generally warm and dry, or do you experience cooler temperatures and higher humidity? Some succulents, like the echeveria, bask in the warmth of direct sunlight, their leaves painted with vibrant hues. Others, such as the haworthia, prefer the gentle embrace of indirect light, their intricate patterns resembling miniature works of art. Researching the specific needs of each succulent species will greatly increase your chances of success. Don't hesitate to ask questions at your local nursery or consult online resources to find the perfect match for your home. Remember, choosing the right succulent is the first step towards creating a thriving indoor oasis. Watering, a seemingly simple act, becomes an art form when caring for succulents. These remarkable plants, adapted to arid environments, have evolved to store water in their plump leaves and stems. Overwatering, a common pitfall for beginners, can lead to root rot and spell disaster for your succulent companions. The key is to water deeply, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Observe your succulents closely. Wrinkled leaves can indicate thirst, while mushy or discolored leaves may signal overwatering. During the active growing season, typically spring and summer, your succulents will require more frequent watering. As temperatures cool and growth slows in the fall and winter, reduce watering significantly. Mastering the delicate dance of watering is crucial to maintaining healthy, vibrant succulents. Just as sunlight is essential for life on Earth, it plays a vital role in the health and vibrancy of your succulents. Most succulents thrive in bright, indirect light. A south-facing window is often an ideal location, providing ample sunlight throughout the day. However, be cautious of intense direct sunlight, especially during the hottest hours, as it can scorch the delicate leaves of your succulents. If you notice your succulents becoming sunburned, with brown or reddish spots appearing on their leaves, it's best to move them to a location with more filtered light. On the other hand, insufficient sunlight can lead to etiolation, a condition where succulents become stretched and leggy as they reach for light. Rotate your succulents regularly to ensure even growth and prevent them from leaning towards the light source. By providing the right amount of sunlight, you'll be rewarded with healthy, compact succulents that showcase their vibrant colors. Just as we need a comfortable and supportive home, succulents thrive in a well-draining soil mix that mimics their natural habitat. Avoid using regular garden soil, as it tends to retain too much moisture and can suffocate succulent roots. Instead, opt for a specialized succulent or cactus potting mix, or create your own by combining regular potting soil with perlite or pumice to improve drainage. When selecting a pot, ensure it has drainage holes to allow excess water to escape. Terracotta pots are an excellent choice as their porous nature allows the soil to breathe and dry out more quickly. Choose a pot that is slightly larger than the succulent's root ball to allow room for growth. Repot your succulents every 1 to 2 years, or when you notice roots circling the bottom of the pot, using fresh soil and a slightly larger pot each time. Even with the best care, succulents can occasionally encounter challenges, such as pests or diseases. One common pest is the mealybug, which appears as tiny, white, cottony insects on the leaves and stems. Another culprit is the spider mite, often identified by fine webbing on the plant. If you spot any signs of pests, isolate the affected succulent immediately to prevent the infestation from spreading. Treat the pests with insecticidal soap or neem oil, following the instructions carefully. Overwatering can also lead to fungal diseases, such as root rot. If you suspect root rot, carefully remove the succulent from its pot and inspect the roots. Trim away any mushy or discolored roots with a sterile knife or scissors and repot the succulent in fresh, dry soil. By addressing problems promptly and providing proper care, you can help your succulents recover and thrive. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the fascinating world of succulents. By understanding their unique needs and following these simple care tips, you can cultivate a thriving collection of these resilient and rewarding plants. Remember to choose the right succulent for your environment. Master the art of watering, provide ample sunlight, create a well-draining home, and address any problems promptly. With a little patience and care, your succulents will reward you with their beauty and resilience for years to come. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!